to episode 196 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a bearish engulfing chart pattern. A bearish engulfing chart pattern is easy to identify because we're really looking at just two candlesticks. So once we see a bearish engulfing candlestick at a key support and resistance area, we're looking for price to drop from there. So let's go on to the charts and we'll take a look at how to identify this type of a trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, how to exit the trade with a profit. Here we're looking at a bearish engulfing trade setup. This is pound US dollar 1 hour chart. A bearish engulfing trade setup is formed with a bearish engulfing candle. So once we get a bearish engulfing candle, we're looking for price to drop. So this is a bearish reversal signal and we are looking for a short trade. So in this case here, we see that this candle here is quite large. So this is our bearish engulfing candle here, because as we see this one candle engulfs the previous price action here. So this is a very strong signal that price is likely to drop. Once we see a bearish engulfing candle like this, we're looking for a price to drop and we enter a trade short, either right at the close of the candle, and sometimes it will actually pull back. So we have to check and see what that's going on. So we enter the trade short here. Our stop would go above the high here. We want to give it some room for trade to breathe in case price starts to go upwards here. We enter the trade short, stop goes up here, and we're looking for price to drop. And here we see it goes sideways for a bit and then it starts to drop. And as long as price is dropping here, we stay with the trade. Once we see that the price starts to pull back here, so we have a bullish engulfing candle here. So this is in the opposite direction, so we exit our trade. From entry to exit, we get 152 pips in the trade. So just to recap, we are looking at a bearish engulfing trade setup. So we are looking for this type of a large candle, which is a bearish engulfing candle. And we see that this candle here engulfs the price action of the previous candles here. So this candle actually shows a shift in momentum. Before price was going up, but now the momentum has shifted to the downside. So we're looking for price to drop. Once we see this candle form, we enter the trade short, stop goes above the high, and we stay with the trade for as long as price is going lower. And as we see here, price starts to lose momentum because we see candle bodies getting smaller, and then we have an indecision candle and finally a bullish engulfing candle. So this is a good place to exit the trade because it could go higher. So number of pips in our trade are 152 pips from entry to exit here. So our profit is 152 pips or $1,520 if trading one standard lot. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you really enjoyed this episode. If you like this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.